Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add Instagram to Meta Business Suite. I'll be walking through this on desktop. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Once the Meta Business Suite dashboard loads, you'll see your business overview. If you manage multiple business accounts, you'll see a drop-down menu at the top left where you can select which one you're working with. Now, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings. It's at the bottom of that navigation menu and has a gear icon next to it. The Settings page will open with several menu options on the left side. In that Settings menu, click on Business Assets. This is where you'll manage all your connected accounts and pages. You'll see a list of your current assets like pages and ad accounts. At the top right of the main area, you'll see a blue button that says Add Assets. Click that button, and a drop-down menu will appear showing different types of assets you can add. From that drop-down, select Instagram Account. A dialog box will appear with terms and conditions. Read through Meta's terms for connecting your Instagram account. Then, click the button that says Claim Instagram Account. A new window will pop up prompting you to log into Instagram. If you're already logged into Instagram in your browser, you might see a Continue as option with your Instagram handle. If that's the account you want to connect, you can click that. Otherwise, you'll see the standard Instagram login screen. Enter your Instagram username and password, then click Login. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Instagram account, you'll see a prompt asking for a security code. Open your Authenticator app or check your text messages for the code, enter it into the security code field, and click Confirm. If you don't have two-factor authentication set up, you'll skip this step entirely. Once you've logged in successfully, the window will close automatically, and you'll be back at the Business Assets page. Your Instagram account should now appear in the list under Accounts, and you'll see a confirmation message that the connection was successful. The Instagram account you're connecting needs to be set to a business or creator account, not a personal account. If it's still personal, you'll need to convert it first in the Instagram app before you can add it here. Also, each Instagram account can only be claimed by one business manager, so if it's already connected to another business manager, you'll need to remove it from there first. After connecting, you might need to log into Instagram again to adjust your account management and access settings. This is normal if Instagram prompts you to review who has access to your account. That's it. Your Instagram account is now connected to Meta Business Suite.